हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो आज का व्लॉग होने वाला है बहुत ही ज़्यादा स्पेशल। आज आप लोगों के साथ मैं शेयर करूँगी ट्रैवल व्लॉग, अपना पूरा का पूरा एक्सपीरियंस इन अराकू वैली। सो फर्स्ट टाइम मैं अराकू वैली आई थी लास्ट ईयर अप्रैल में। ये मेरा सेकंड विज़िट होने वाला है, तो ऑब्वियसली मुझे ज़्यादा नॉलेज है अब, और मैं काफ़ी बेटर प्लेसेस घूमने वाली हूँ। बहुत सारी प्लेसेस जाने का इरादा है। ऑलमोस्ट 3 डेज रहने वाले हैं हम लोग। इस ट्रैवल व्लॉग में आप लोगों को प्रॉपर इटिनरी भी मिलेगा। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं, लेट्स गो। ये प्यारा सा व्यू देखने के बाद हम लोग स्टेशन पहुंच गए। उसके बाद हम लोग अपनी गाड़ी की तरफ आगे बढ़ रहे हैं। फिर हम लोग अपने रिजॉर्ट भी पहुंच गए एंड ये है हमारा रूम टूर। सो दिस इज़ काइंड ऑफ अ टेंट जो हम लोगों ने बुक किया था। यहाँ 2 बेड्स थे और अच्छा ही था। लाइक इट वाज क्वाइट डिसअपॉइंटिंग। अगर ये न्यू रहता तो ज़्यादा बेटर रहता। ये काफ़ी यूज्ड अप था और काफ़ी ज़्यादा शैबी लग रहा था। और थोड़ी देर ही बाद जैसे हम लोग पहुँचे उसके बाद इतना अच्छा बारिश होने लग गया। वी फेल्ट सो रिफ्रेश्ड। Guys, right now here we are to have some lunch and we are at Araku Valley right now, and see, the rain has welcomed us. It looks so pleasant. Look at these cute fishes. This is how the restaurant looks like. Quite aesthetic itself, giving much cafe vibes. We've ordered some prawn biryani along with some egg fried rice and some boneless fish as well. After having the lunch, we have stopped by this place, Araku Chai Sip by Sip, and I'm having some ginger chai जो बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा है। जिंजर का टेस्ट बहुत अच्छा आ रहा है। We also ordered some chocolate shake which was very okayish. Guys, it's around 7:30ish right now and we are ready and we are heading out to have some snacks. For today we did not go outside. We were just resting and chilling in the camp itself. So actually I like to tell you guys, the tent is so disappointing. We are thinking of checking out tomorrow itself. Let's see what happens. I'll keep you updated. Let's go now. Now we have stopped at Madras Premium Coffee. Basically, I guess we'll get filter coffee here. Let's see. Menu of the Madras filter coffee. The next stop is Rajasthan Sweets and Bakery. This is also in the main market itself, and also the Madras coffee shop was also in the main market itself. Let's see what all we have here. Options that are available. There are multiple options available, as you can see. We have taken this Balaji laddu and this is Khaja. Mom will give a taste test. बताइए कैसा है? खाइए। My cutest mom. So the next stop is Star Annapurna. So we'll be having our dinner here. Let's see what all options do we have here. This is the, I guess, snacks menu. They have a lot of variety actually. They have Korean ramen as well and some Chinese options. So this is the mutton curry and here are some fulgas. The food is really good. Everything is so well made. and it feels so homely as well. So when we are outside, so what happens is if we get such sort of food, we feel like, oh my god, we are blessed. Also ordered some curd rice along with those things. So guys, I'm standing in front of the restaurant and I had the best mutton curry of my life. The food was so good and the staff was also so polite. Actually, the first time they gave us the mutton curry, there were so many bone pieces and there were hardly any like mutton, right? Meat. So what happened is I told them and they gave us some fresh pieces and I was so happy with that. So definitely a thumbs up from my side. It's a 10 out of 10. Guys, I'm ready for the day. It's day 2 at Araku Valley. We have a lot in play today. We are going to the Bora Caves and Katiki waterfall and also maybe coffee plantation, and we have hired a car. So let's see how it goes. I'll update you guys. Also, while talking to you guys, I found this cute mushroom in our hotel area, resort area actually. Look at this. Right now we have stopped in a local stall to have some breakfast. We have ordered for some puri. Let's wait and see how does it taste. Multiple options here. Some puri, some tomato chutney, some coconut chutney and sabzi. To be honest, the puri just melted in our mouth and it tasted so good. Ordered for some chai as well. We're at the coffee plantation. Mom and dad is here. We're at the coffee plantation. Look at the view. Guys, say hi. Hi. Now we are at the local shop outside coffee plantation. They are selling multiple things like coffee beans, fresh coffee beans, gold mirch, black pepper actually. They're also selling coffee. Yeah, coffee, biryani masala items. Biryani masala and 100 rupees. Girl is selling here. We are at the Galikonda viewpoint. I'll show you guys the view as well. Heading towards the view. And just look at the view. Bought some nariyal pani for a refreshing drink. Multiple shops here, you can see. My sister posing for you all. See, there is the Bora Caves gate. Now I am standing in front of the Bora Caves. Actually at the gate of Bora Caves. Let's go inside and see what's there. Here starts the Bora Caves journey. We have finally reached the cave. This is how the entrance looks, but it's looking quite crowded. So we have reached the Bora Caves. These are natural caves, not at all man-made caves. They have added some lightings obviously. That spot. Like it's looking like जन्नत का light आ रहा है और वहाँ पे लोग फोटो भी खिंचा रहे हैं. मैंने भी खिंचाया है, मैं ऐड कर दूँगी photos. These have been formed naturally by water droplets. Look at this. इससे ज़्यादा मैं आगे नहीं जा पा रही because I came here with my parents and मेरे parents नहीं जा पाएंगे, इसलिए I'm just heading upstairs now. Let's go. Now I'm at the Katiki waterfall and look at the view. But there is a lot of people around. Look at the crowd. Last time when I came it was not so crowded, but it's fine. All took a dip in the water. Did you guys have fun? Yes! Heading towards our resort back. We stopped at this Good Morning restaurant, which is a part of Good Morning Resort itself. So we are heading. Let's see what do we get here. We have stopped here for snacks and tea because we all are wet right now. So we had some coffee outside and then we went to the market and took some snacks. My father bought these. Now we're gonna go have this. Having the snacks and resting for half an hour maybe. We came out in our resort itself and ordered for some food. So we are having our dinner. We have ordered 2 soups, hot and sour soup and clear soup, I guess. I'm not sure about this one. And also with this setup, we all are enjoying and chilling just by the corner. Don't mind my look, please. I was just resting. This doesn't taste good. Actually, it doesn't taste like actual soup. So we have ordered for some chili chicken and some chili prawn. Let's see how does it taste. The soups were really bad. My sister is also saying chee, but that we are very disappointed, but it's fine. So let's try the prawn together as well. The prawn is very average-ish. It's okay, I'll say. What else to say? But the food is not up to the par as well. Let's try the chili chicken.
Then guys,
This is day 3 at Araku Valley, as I've already mentioned. तो हम लोगों ने सुबह उठ के स्विमिंग पूल में एक डिप लिया था, थोड़ा चाय पिया था. अभी हम लोगों ने चेकआउट कर दिया और अभी हम लोग अपनी गाड़ी में ही जा रहे हैं साइट सीइंग करने, ट्राइबल म्यूजियम वगैरह जा रहे हैं. और जो हम लोग का सामान है वो हम लोगों ने होटल में ही रख दिया है. चलते हैं, देखते हैं हम लोग कहाँ जाएंगे. आप लोग भी मेरे साथ चलिए. गाइस, इट्स वेरी हॉट. वी हैव स्टॉप्ड फॉर अ क्विक ब्रेक for having some ganna ka juice at Araku Organic Sugarcane. It's in the main market opposite of Tribal Museum. Guys, we are at the coffee museum right now. Look at these gigantic cups. We are at the gate right now. Let's go inside. This is how the entry looks like. So as you can see, we have various arts and craft items. You can buy from here, but I felt that these are a little more costlier than outside. We are getting all these things in front of Bora Case are much cheaper actually. This is the coffee museum, the journey of coffee beans. It's a 19 whopping steps. Can you understand? These are the tribal people who make the coffees, obviously. This is the coffee machine where the coffees are made. My sisters. I've ordered for some Americano. Starbucks feel. Review please. Actually, it's quite amazing. Last time also I had this, but it was already packed. That was amazing too. I've stopped at A1 restaurant in Araku and look at the view. Just look at the view. I'm so happy with the view. Let's see, we have ordered for some thalis as well as some chicken and prawns and Apollo fish as well. I'll show you guys and give you guys a review as well. There's some chili prawn and Apollo fish. Let's try them. So guys, let's try some prawns. This is chili prawns. Tastes actually good, a little spicy, but it's fine. Some chapati, actually butter pulka. Ordered some veg thali and chicken thali. This is the veg thali with a lot of variety. very tasty. Now we are at the Chaparai waterfall. Look at the majestic view. At the Chaparai waterfall itself, we indulged in some cute activities all together and enjoyed so much. So we are at the Chaparai waterfall. How's the Josh, guys? Now we are at the Araku Pinery. Look at it. Look at the long pine trees giving such pleasant view. And my naughty sister. This is how long the pine trees are. Right now we are at the chocolate factory. So the entry here is, I guess, around 50 rupees. And they'll also give us a small chocolate. I'll show you guys. Let's go. Look at these flowers. I hope you guys can see, those are the big chocolate machines. Last time when I came here, this part was not available at all. This is all new. Oh, you can see there, chocolates are getting made. So guys, this is the complimentary chocolate that we have got. It's very teeny tiny. Let's try it together. अच्छा है. Okay. Personally, I like dark chocolate, but this one is sweet. It's a thumbs up, definitely. 8 out of 10. We're back at the resort. Our sightseeing day is completed. We did not do much. We did not like it actually. There were a lot of museums, but they didn't had much. So we just decided that we'll come to the resort, chill for a while, have some snacks, and then we'll head out for dinner. For snacks, we have some pakoras here. These are onion pakoras, and this is samosa. So this is the same snacks that we had yesterday as well. Yesterday, if I'm not wrong. So that's it. Also, we'll be ordering some tea. Guys, this is my last meal at Araku Valley. I'll show you guys what I'm having. We have came back to the same hotel. We came back for lunch. So the food here was very good. So we decided that we'll hop onto this restaurant itself. Let's see what is there. Ordered for some chicken thali again and veg thali for me. And my mom and dad is gonna order some pulka and gravy. Also ordered for some butter chicken, but the butter chicken doesn't look like butter chicken. It is looking like some sort of curry. I don't know why. And this is butter pulka. That's it for today's vlog, guys. I'll meet you guys in the next one. So I'm finally back at Hyderabad and my parents have went back to Kolkata. I'm already missing them so much. This trip was much needed. I'll meet you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Also, do not forget to like, subscribe and share.